You don't need a retwist in order for your locks to look good. Let me show you. I haven't washed my hair in over 3 months. Don't judge me. Get you a spray bottle. Aloe juice, almond oil, lavender oil. Locks is getting a little too long to try to hold it up with my hands. Not the flex or anything, but we're gonna use a little scrunchie to hold it up while I work on this. Get you a brush. This is not too hard, not too soft. It's just right. This is what I have in my house right now. This is what I use to give myself a retwist. So we're gonna use that on my edges because that's what I got. And now we're gonna form our bun. Make sure all the locks are straight. My arms are burning. You're gonna go in with your scrunchie. This is an ouchless scrunchie. No tangles, all right? Double that bad boy, because we're only wrapping this around once. We're just gonna let whatever is not in the bun, we just let that do its own thing. We're not worried about it. Now, if you wanted to, you could leave it just like this, but I always say that edges add a little razzle dazzle, so we're gonna do that. Then you're gonna go in with an edge control brush. The crustier, the better. Do you see that? Do you see the crust on that thing? Do you hear that? The crustier the brush, the better the edges. I don't make the rules. So you're gonna swoop, okay? Swoop. It's a technique. You see where I'm going with this? And you gotta say swoop with it in order for it to slay and lay to the gods. And then to make sure that it's really laid down, you're gonna go in with a little edge control hair tie. And we are just going to lay her down. Lay her down like it ain't nobody's business. And you can leave it tied down for like a cool, you feel me? Like a cool, like 5-10 minutes or however long until you done getting ready, period. Slick, chic, and on motherfucking fleek. Hell you talking about? Hey, get into it.